Hey friends, Sawan Kumar here and welcome back to this training where I am going to answer you exactly what you need to be doing, how you need to be setting up your Facebook ad to get the maximum results at the lowest cost. And what the maximum result is getting maximum number of leads at the lowest possible cost. How do we do this? How have I generated for myself, or how the system that I'm going to talk to you about has generated thousands and thousands and thousands of leads for a lot of real estate agents working out there with you. Yeah, so without wasting a lot of time, I will be jumping onto the training program where I'll be showing with you the step-by-step process of how you can be doing it for yourself. And if you stay with me till the end of the video and hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button and add a comment below with your questions, your queries, your feedback, whatever it is, I am going to give you the link, the templates, the email templates, the ad templates that I have used for my real estate clients to generate thousands and thousands of leads at absolutely no cost, along with a free training that you can use for yourself, a technical training for yourself, which will help you in setting up the campaign, setting up the ads, doing all that you need to do to run, to make yourself a successful real estate agent. So without wasting a lot of time, let us quickly jump into the training program, see if it makes sense to you, and be sure that you can be using it to grow your real estate business. So before I jump into the training, I have one more small thing to say is that Facebook ads are really important. Facebook ads are really important and they work. You might have heard a lot of people, a lot of agents say to themselves or say to others that Facebook ads have stopped working or their cost of lead generation have gone higher or something similar to this. But let me tell you that Facebook ads are still working. Their cost has not gone as high as most of you think of. Yes, the costs have gone a little higher, but that is okay as long as you are able to get leads, convert leads. Any cost is fine to give away. Yeah. So what you need to understand is before running a Facebook ad, you need to be knowing, you need to be ready with the ad that you are going to run. You need to understand your target audience. Now, when I say target audience, what I exactly mean is you need to understand the niche that you are offering your services to. I have spoken a lot about niche, identifying your niche. What can your possible niche be? In the training video that you will find the link of in the comments below. But yeah, identifying your niche. Yeah, even if you're a real estate agent, you need to have a niche. So you need to identify your niche and accordingly have your Facebook ads. So your Facebook ads, your entire marketing strategy should be having your niche in your mind, having your target audience in your mind, and only then your Facebook ads becomes successful. Only then you get a lot of leads at a lot lower cost. That is exactly what our objective is, and that is exactly what I am going to show you, how I generate tons of leads for myself and for my clients, and how you can do it for yourself. So let's jump into my screen. A basic flow that we use for ourselves, and that is exactly what you would be using it for yourself. What is it? So it all starts with a Facebook ad where you attract your niche, where you try to solve their problems, the biggest problems that they face, and what exactly is it they are looking for the answer to. They want to trust. They are looking for an agent who they can trust. They are looking for an agent who can help them buy a property or sell a property at the best price, in the best locality, in the best neighborhood. That's what they are looking for, right? So you need to identify what exactly is your niche looking forward to in you. And when you find that, okay, this is how exactly I can build up my authority, this is exactly how I can build up my trust, when you know that, and when then you run the Facebook ad campaign, what your objective has to be is to collect as many leads as you can possible. You don't have to try to get high quality leads, but what you need to focus on is getting more quantity of leads. Why I'm saying that is because when you get more number of leads, they might not all be ready to buy immediately. They might not all be ready to buy right now, but they are all people who were interested in your ads, who clicked on your ad, and somewhere buying or selling a property connects with them. So they might be buying something from you in the next 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months, or 12 months. You just need to be nurturing them. So once you run a Facebook ad campaign, you have an opt-in, you have a Facebook lead form, or you have a landing page, and you collect the email addresses, you collect the names, you collect the phone numbers from there. What you do next is you ask them to schedule a call with you, book an appointment with you, or do nothing. So basically what they do is once they opted in the landing page, what you ask them to do next is, if they have found enough value in whatever you have given until now, in the ad, if they have found enough value, if they think that okay, you can be trusted, they can book an appointment with you. But if in case not, what you do is you start running an automated drip campaign. And what is that drip campaign? The moment the lead came into your system, you start nurturing them, you start nourishing your lead, you start with an automated follow-up campaign which starts right from the moment they entered into your system. So the moment they entered into the system, the first message is something that they receive on their mobile. The second thing that they receive is an email in their email box. The third thing that they receive is again an email. The fourth thing that they receive is a link to schedule a call with you once again. So you plan your drip campaigns. In that drip campaign, you share the success stories of the clients. In that drip campaign, you share how you help somebody to get what they wanted. You share your life story. You share why should the other client be working with you. What are the reasons? Why should you be trusted? So you tell them about every single aspect of your life and why should the other side, the client, the lead, be doing business with you, be working with you. You tell your stories. It all in the drip campaigns. So you plan it all, you automate it so that now the next time a lead comes into your system, they automatically get the message 1, the email 2, the message 3, and so on. You do not have to do the hard work of sending emails and SMSs every time a lead comes into the system. You only get into a call with them when they book a call with you. Imagine the kind of time that you are saving. You are nourishing the leads, you are getting in touch with the lead at several touch points, yet not wasting any time, but only when they are ready to buy from you, they are ready to have a call with you, is when you spend some time with them. And the moment you get the opportunity to spend time with them, what you do is you grab it and you make sure that you close that client with the buying thing, the selling property, whatever their requirement is. You make sure that you close the sale. So you need to be doing is you need to be creating a lot of value for your leads, for your niche, for that customer that you are targeting. You need to be creating a lot of value. You need to be identifying the problems that you solve. So that is exactly what you would be sending in the drip campaigns. You need to be identifying the biggest problems that your target audience faces and how you are the best person to solve their biggest problems. So list down 5 biggest problems of theirs and list down in 10 different ways of how you can solve their problem, and then also list down 5 or 10 previous clients who you solved the problem for as case studies. So when you do all of these things, what you are doing is you are building up trust. You are being or getting yourself in front of the client every single day. And the best part is all of it isn't running on autopilot. You are not having to engage yourself or make yourself busy, make yourself occupied, spend time on doing this. So that is exactly how you make your Facebook ads successful, and then you easily scale it, boss. The idea is scaling it, right? The more appointments that you set is the more sales that you would get. The more appointments you set is more closers that you would get. So why shy on setting up the appointment? Why not automate the entire process, that what you are working on is only setting up the appointments and nothing else? So if you want to get that entire system, let's jump onto what I do. So the moment I run a Facebook ad attracting the target audience or attracting my target niche, what they get to see is they get to see this page where I'm offering a free Facebook ad template that they can download, that you can download, that my real estate agent clients can download to use it for themselves. Now imagine, that is one of the biggest problems that most of the real estate agent clients have. They do not know how to create a Facebook ad. They do not know how to design a Facebook ad. So what I do is I give them with the Facebook ad templates. That's creating a lot of value. That's solving one big problem for them. The second big problem, how do I automate my campaigns? So what I do is I also give them free email templates that they can use in their drip campaigns, free SMS templates that they can use in their automated follow-ups. Now, when I am creating so much of value, when I am exactly solving the problem that they are going to face with the solution that I am providing, what I get back in return is they want to book a call with me. They schedule a call with me. They want to know, because see, real estate agents do not want to run a Facebook ad campaign. You do not want to run an ad campaign, right? What you want to do is you want to focus on booking appointments, on going on appointments, going to property visits, going on in open houses, connecting with as many people as you can. You do not want to be working on creating ads, running ads, getting leads. No, you would want to leave it to experts like me. And that is exactly why I want you to get on a call with me, book an appointment with me, book a call with me. Let me tell you how I can help you solve your problems. Let me tell you how I can be of immense value to you. Let me tell you why you should not be wasting your time in creating Facebook ads and running email campaigns and doing all of these things. Let me tell you with all of these things, and let me tell you why spending more time on appointments and less time on anything else that you are doing is very, very important, and how that can multiply your revenue multiple times, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. Yes, that is the power of what I just told to you, and that is the power of what you should be doing, why you should be doing, and how you should be doing. That is exactly how I have used it for my hundreds of real estate clients and helped them generate thousands and thousands of real estate leads at a very low cost, at a very cost effective price, yet be very successful. So do not forget to hit on the like button if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and add a comment below to get all of these free ad templates for yourself, along with a training program that is going to help you in details about setting up of your ads, running the ad campaign, and everything. Hit on the comments below and I'll be there with you. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye. I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're loving whatever I'm saying with you. I hope you are loving whatever value I'm trying to create for you. And if you have any feedback, any comment, anything that you want to know more about, anything that you want me to talk in specific about, I would love to hear from you. And my next video would be on whatever you want to hear from me. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.